Humor now moving up to take second. Alice's Choice now in third. Last 150. And it's still 12 or never, followed by Good Humor, Alice's Choice. Last 75. It's all 12 or never. And finally 12 or never. Good Humor, Alice's Choice. Gold money.
Still in third, para past the last 400, we have Great Honor, Big Spender now on the outside, about to throw the challenge as they swing for home. 2 entries, fighting out for the lead. Big Spender moving up on the outside, running viral is Great Honor with about 150 meters more to run. We have Big Spender, Great Honor, Big Spender, Great Honor, Big Spender, Great Honor are fighting out for the lead, and finally it's a close finish between Great Honor and Big Spender. Then comes Rough Red and Sharif.
That is also coming into the picture. Inside the last 400, Ride the Lightning from the outside, running by the Willis Miracle Music. Around the outside now, Loaded Irish Step, Master Professor, and coming home late now is Something Silver. Towards the final corner, it's now Miracle Music once again, Malenka, followed by Ride the Lightning, loaded on the outside of the last 50 meters. It's still Miracle Music, and finally Miracle Music, Ride the Lightning, loaded. Something Silver, Master Professor.
Jade of Joy next on line is Negligent down on the inside is entry number 1 in this one is Run of Mine, and Diana went entering the home stretch. We have When We're Flying this time by about 5 lengths. Jade of Joy in second, down on the inside third is Graceful with about 150 meters more to run. It looks like we have a winner now for race number 4 is all entry number 3 When We're Flying. Second, Jade of Joy, Graceful, Negligee, then
an instant coming close now in third. My Sweet Swanee on the outside. Princess Tokai also coming into the picture. As they come up towards home turn, 5 Prince still the leader by some 3 lengths, followed by Instant on the outside, and racing third by Sweet Swanee. Princess Tokai on the further outside, 5 Prince still the leader by line, coming up Instant on the outside, 5 Prince, Instant on the outside, and finally first one, Instant 5 Prince goes with My Sweet.
third, then comes Selensine, Bloombird comes next, Justinet's Blues, well full of Irene. Now in behind them as they swing for home is Style Icon once again takes the lead here, and on the outside now is Splendor. Then here comes Magical Street. We have Style Icon, Magical Street now moves to take the lead. It's now Magical Street followed by Style Icon, and finally Magical Street, Style Icon, Splendor. Then comes
for a Palenque lead. Coming closer on the outside is Ravishing Rapi. El Cid remains in third. Moving up down on the inside court now is Reality Show. As they come down on the last 200, we have Ravishing Rapi. El Cid is on the outside. Running down on the inside is Big Ten. Last 150. El Cid moves up on the outside to grab the lead. Ravishing Rapi drives back in second, and finally El Cid. Ravishing Rapi